Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower package for customer's 1968 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the entire engine build here. We started with the brand new dart block. This is a 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. We have the roller lifter cam in there, double roller timing chain, brass freeze plugs in there. Painted black, the engine block. We have the proper oil pan the customer requested for the 68 Mustang that he wanted. The Canton Racing oil pan, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the Edelbrock American made aluminum heads on there. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. The blue with all the wire markers are on there. You have the Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake manifold, MSD ignition coil. Real nice Black Ridge Cobra valve covers, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return springs on there, throttle cable ball, and the throttle bracket. You installed the vacuum fittings for power brakes, PCV ventilation systems all hooked up. We have the proper bell housing on there for the customers running a TKO 600 transmission. We have the ram clutch in there, all aligned, all set up. Clutch fork, throwout bearing, all set in place there. We have the high torque mini starter installed. This real nice chrome serpentine 8-rib serpentine system here with the self-tensioning belt tensioner, AC compressors on there, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there with a reservoir attached, real easy hookup, pressure fitting on the one side and return right there. All the Russell heavy duty fuel lines, high flow fuel pump, oil pressure extensions installed, proper thermostat for the 68 Mustang, and the thermostat's in there. This is the way you get it when you buy an engine from Engine Factory, complete turnkey, ready to go. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. All the settings will be set. You'll see the manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Everything will be gone through. The timing is set, the carburetor's adjusted, fully tested. You'll get pictures of the entire engine build sent to you, of your engine. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.